Astronomy is one of the most wonderful parts of physics. We get to observe space and all its wonders, like the Milky Way, the Pole Star, and get to see amazing pictures like the Pillars of Creation and the Crab Nebula. Yet, something that always seems to amaze me are exoplanets. Only because it seems so amazing and futuristic to see planets outside our solar system. Some way bigger than Jupiter, and some smaller than Mercury. But in this video, I want to talk about planets that orbit two stars. Yes, you heard me right, two stars. So let's learn about them. When we have a system that has two stars, it is called a binary system. So, a planet that orbits two stars is known as a circumbinary planet. The way that these planets orbit, however, is mostly based on the configuration of the stars. There are two main types of orbit configurations. One is the S-type orbit. In this type of orbit, the planet only orbits around one of the stars, and the other stars orbit farther away. The second star causes some perturbations of the planet, but does not do too much, so this type of orbit is pretty stable. The other type of orbit is a P-type orbit. In this type orbit, the planet orbits both the stars as if they were a single point mass, or just one star. The only issue is that for this orbit to work, the planets need to be far away from the stars in order for both the stars to exert a force as if they were combined. Now, let's get into the physics of this type of planetary system. For a circumbinary planet, the planet must orbit outside a critical radius, which is usually 2 to 4 times the separation of the two stars. Inside this zone, gravitational forces from the two stars fluctuate pretty strongly, making orbits chaotic. Outside this zone, however, the planet experiences a relatively smooth gravitational field, allowing a stable orbit. Now we have orbital dynamics. The gravitational pull from both stars causes a planet's orbit to precess or rotate slowly over time. The planet's orbital period is usually just a simple multiple of the star's orbital periods, which maintains stability. Now to the fun part, the day and night cycle. These planets have pretty cool lighting conditions. They may experience double sunsets or unusual seasons depending on the orbital configuration and the star's brightness. Like in the Kepler-16b system, the planet sees two suns of different colors and brightness. How cool is that? We know a few types of these planets, like in the systems of Kepler-16b, Kepler-47, and Kepler-35b. Overall, these might be the second coolest type of exoplanets that I know. What is the coolest type, you might ask? It's a planet that orbits 3 stars. Space is truly incredible, but that shouldn't stop us from enjoying the beauty that we have on Earth. If you take a walk in the park, the nature, people having fun, and the overall calm is something only we have on Earth. So, no matter how amazing space can get, always know that there is a beautiful world that exists, the most beautiful one, and its name is Earth. Be curious like a child, the world needs more of it. Bye.